So there are two things you need to know today. One is the SaaS-based, the web app, the application. There is non-SaaS-based software or application. SaaS-based website or application is software as a service. It's called the software as a service. So, as an example, Kaji Atip Anwari, he is going to sell the product on this website. Okay, so simply he registered and he's selling it. His selling it is actually SaaS-based application because he did not build this website. He did not deploy this website. He's not testing his website. He does not have anybody to maintain this website. Everything is, all he is paying for the account he created, and that he's giving the sales commission that he is actually responsible. Everything else is the platform owner. Platform owner means, in this case, TechSup for you is managing. TechSup for managing is all the resources, means server, and all the bug, all the resource means the maintain this website, update this website. If any bug, fix the bug. If new requirement need to be added, TechSup for your development team will be adding all of this. So in the SaaS base, you just simply subscribe in a software or the application, and then you just simply use it. You have no headache of the managing of the application at all. That's called the SaaS-based application. Non-SaaS based application is different. Non-SaaS based is two-way. One is, say an example, you downloaded a software from the website, right? And you install on your computer and you are using it. Okay, it's a non-SaaS based application. So if the application is already updated, now you need to re-download the software, you need to reinstall. Good. Again, the owner updated, like a non-SaaS basis, like whatever you guys are doing our desktop application, right? Each time we update the application, you need to download it, you need to install it. Download it, install it. Means you are managing now. Even though your job is not downloading and installing, but you still do it because it's a non-SaaS based application. However, TS for your website is a SaaS based because you just subscribe for the bootcamp, enroll on the bootcamp, and you are using all the TS for use, everything. It's called the SaaS based application. Another SaaS based web based application is the company Sorry, I got disconnected. I apologize for this. Okay, so I was telling the non-SaaS based web application means that you bought the exe file and you provide to your development team in the DevOps team. DevOps actually install it, configure it, and then your user is using it. But each time any of the the application is updated, the source code is updated, you have to get the new source code, then you have to use it. And many companies do not go through this hassle anymore. So SaaS-based application is more powerful nowadays, where you are only using whatever the purpose is. You do not need to worry about anything else.